Okay, today is going to be the first time we're going to start to find our dark areas or our shadowed areas. And we're still working on the first laydown. So, the very first thing that I look for when I'm looking for areas that would be in the shadow would be your areas that form an arrow. And what I mean by an arrow, if you look over here and you have a point, they're little triangles. This is the areas where two walls are coming together. They're always going to be in the shadow because they block the light from each other. So the first thing I would do is darken in all my shadowed areas. So the first thing was the center light. Now I am finding my dark areas. Remember that this is a beginner technique. Later on, we will learn other ways of shadowing in. But for now, just to get you used to finding those darkened areas, here's another one where this leaf overlaps this leaf right in there. Now, of course, I already have, which I hadn't done, all my first layer, my base. I found my center lights, and now I'm doing the arrows. So another place you would look for them, right here, where all these flowers come, all these, well, I guess they're leaves on flowers, whatever these are, come together right in here. I would see one. Now they're going to be all over the place. So they would be in here, right in here, let's see, all along the hair area. I would have them in here. They're all over the picture. They'd be underneath here, over here, and I can be working on these for a very long time. It's just darkening the areas where the two meet. Now, what I don't want to see you do is create a ring, and we're going to talk about that in our next video. I don't want you going completely around the edges of anything. I only want you to find that tiny little area that I call arrows and darken them in. That would be... Now, down here on the hair, they're all over the place. They'd be right in all these little areas where the braid comes down. See, this is all these little triangles. They would be in the book right here, where the hand meets. They would be in between the fingers, where the fingers meet the book. And you just make them, those little arrow areas slightly darker, using the same color that you've been using all along. So that is your next step. These arrowed areas are going to form your shadow areas later on. So I will let you get to it. This is a good exercise. Continue with the picture that you were working on, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.